When it comes to skiing and racket sports, Head is a leading industry leader in the world. This Conquest titanium racket is very well made, but this is for the casual player. This is not a professional racket. It's essentially good for those tennis players that play once in a while, right? And they want to go out there. It has a really light head, and it's really well made and light. This is a racket for beginners. I wish you could feel it. I mean, of course, it has the head stamp on it of quality. It doesn't matter what level they're doing. Head is always going to they're going to do a good job when it comes to performance. This has been worn. We've used these rackets for a long time already, and they'll still be going, and we'll still be using them for a while if we use them well. So pretty strong, really nice head quality. Recommend it.